Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Chris Evans, and well, I finally did it. I finally swallowed my pride and got a Switch 2. Reason being, one is Star Fox, all right? Which is what I got with it. I didn't get the bundle because I didn't want Pokepia or Mario Kart World, none of that. I wanted Star Fox, all right? Second game I wanted to get with it is the new Ocarina of Time is coming out. So I thought, might as well buy a Switch 2 now, because times we live in now, consoles are actually cheaper when they come out. Apparently, the older your console gets, the more it goes up in price. What? Yeah, go figure. But yeah, that's why I bought the Switch 2. Great games coming out that I wanted to play, and I don't want to spend the extra $50 that this thing is about to go up in price for. So without any further ado, let's get to the unboxing. All right, here we go. This is the Nintendo Switch 2 box. Give you a quick look at this bad boy before we start to open it. Hopefully, you know how I am, guys. Hopefully, we get to open it without actually damaging the entire box like I usually do. But yeah, there it is. All right, okay, here we go. Let's see here. We got these little tabs here. Okay, those don't seem to come out, I guess. You know. All right, we got it. We got it. See, look at that. Oh, look. It's even got instructions. How to set it up, plug it in. Okay. Well, there it is, right there, right off the bat, right at the very top. You got the Joy-Con controllers. Bam. It's a nice matte black to it. Not digging the colors, but you know what? There it is. The buttons are definitely a lot bigger than the Switch 1. So is the actual controller. It's me holding it in my hand. There's that one. The other controller also matte black. I do like this blue though. Blue's nice. So there you go. You got the little button that attaches or detaches the Switch 2 from the controllers. The buttons feel a little better. Definitely if you were playing like this, it's a lot better. It's a little bigger. So good on them for doing that. And here we go. Here's the screen. The actual console itself. Let's see if we can get this open. Wow. Bam. That is a big screen. That is huge. Wow, it's even got the colors on the inside. There's the light blue. Got some pretty big heat vents at the bottom. And there you go. Wow, that actually opens up pretty far. Look at that. That stand. The stand, it feels pretty sturdy. It actually feels pretty good. Oh, and it even clicks back in. Yeah, that feels real good. And here's where you put the game cards in. This, I'm glad they finally changed it, because the old one was so hard to get the game card top out. Oh my god, I have the Switch OLED, and it was always a pain in the ass to like change the games. See what it looks like connected. Okay. Oh wow, that just pops right in. That actually feels really good. Really sturdy too. Huh. Wow. That's not gonna come out very easy. I thought it was. But no, it actually, even after you press the button, it's got a good magnetic grip on there. But I like that. It doesn't shake like the other OLED one does, you know? Check this out, for example. See, like, this is my Switch OLED, and look, I can feel it wobbling. I can move the controllers a bit, you know, while it's inside. And then look, without even pressing the button, you know, they just slide right off. Sometimes when I'm playing, they accidentally slide off and the game stops, and I'm like, what the heck, you know? So hopefully that's fixed with this. But here you go. Here's a screen size difference. Hopefully you guys can see that pretty good. That is the difference. Lot bigger. Lot bigger. Look at that. Pretty good. I like that it's bigger. I do. I very much do. This feels huge. This is massive. All right, let's see what else we got in here. What is this? Okay, we got Switch Online manuals. We got our HDMI cord, and we got some of the things that you attach so you can, you know, put them on your wrist so you don't throw your controllers right through the TV on accident. What else we got? What is this? Oh, okay. We got the Switch 2 controller dock. Let's see how it looks on that. I mean, first of all, here's the Switch 1 and here's the Switch 2. So look at the size difference on that. You know, it's a lot bigger controller. All right, so let's detach that. Detach that. And I'm used to sliding them in. Oh wow, that just, it just snapped. Look, I'm not even touching it. Look, look at that. I barely just put it close and it just shoots right in. Very nice feeling. Wow, this is a lot bigger. I do like the bigger controller. That feels pretty good. I'm feeling this is how I'll be playing most of the games, just like this. But that feels really good. All right, what do we got in here? Okay, USB-C cables, power adapter, and I'm sure this is the charging dock. Let's see how this looks. Bam! That is huge. That is a big charging dock compared to the Switch 1. Not sure how it opens. Oh, okay, like that. You got your internet connection, HDMI, and USB-C AC adapter. Looks like it's got a bigger fan in there than the other one too. Just snaps right in. And again, what they don't do is they don't put anything soft in here, okay? That's what I don't like. So you're definitely gonna need a screen protector. Otherwise, this dock again is gonna scratch up that Switch screen easily. But yeah, there you have it. That is the Switch 2. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Do you have a Switch? Are you gonna get a Switch 2? Do you have a Switch 1? Are you upgrading? Let me know down in the comments. This is a very controversial console. Again, I upgraded only because there's games that are gonna be on this that aren't gonna be on the Switch 1, like Star Fox, Ocarina of Time. Get it now before it goes up in price, I think in November, you know, and who knows how many more times it's gonna go up in price. We've seen Xbox go up in price like 3-4 times now. PlayStation, it was at least gone up once in price. So yeah, you know, the world is changing. It's not looking good for our pockets as far as gaming goes. But yeah, also let me know how you like your Switch 2 down in the comments as well. All right guys, for more unboxing, gaming, and my wrestling videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And give this video a like, hype it. Really does help the channel a lot. Really appreciate you guys. And I'll see y'all in the next video.